Where is... No way. Seriously. Okay, so here we are. We're on the 750 tonight. I got out a little later than I wanted to. I should have grabbed some gas. Okay, gotta watch the speed. So, I've been getting a lot of questions from people about some of the laws and prices and stuff in Canada. Now, when you get a bike that falls into the super sport class, that gets expensive, and a lot of insurance companies, they just won't insure it. So now, also till the age of 25, I bugged my safety officer, ex Calgary Police. About some rules and about licenses, demerits, and stuff like that. Okay, so gotta watch my speed. We're on a carb clean right now. I'll explain in a minute. So, if you're under 25, you actually, and you're a new driver, you have to get a provisional license. Man, oh God, I'm glad I never had to go under a provisional license. 16 years old, I just got my 450 going. And I didn't even have my license yet. Had my learners. And my 100, my YL1 100cc there. Bombing around on that, didn't need a license, so I was just bombing around on that, and with the learners, all you needed. You did have to insure it though, you still had to insure it. And so I was just bombing around on that, but I got my 450 going. Man, am I jumping topics? Got my 450 going, and I didn't even have a license yet. It was insured, it was registered and the whole bit. And I was leaving school, bombing home, and I did a rolling stop through a stop sign. Yeah. Okay, what happens? Yeah, you guessed it. Cop comes up, pulls me over. Now here's the funny part, but this is when cops were cool. Trends happening lately where you find less of them. Cop goes, "Do you realize you just went through that stop sign?" And I go, "Oh, well, yeah, I didn't lie. I was young and foolish." So the cop, what he does, he okay, I'm not sure where my reserve. This is an old one where he actually got a physical reserve. So, pulls me over, whole bit, starts questioning me the whole bit, checks out my paperwork, blah blah blah, and then he goes, "You don't have a license?" And I just got it. Where are you going? Just going home. Now this is where the cop Pretty cool. What he does is he goes, okay, I'm gonna follow you home. You park it once you get home and you go get registration. I thought that was so goddamn cool. Now my buddy, friend, ex-Calgary police, this guy's hard-nosed, man. He just laughs at me in my videos. I think he's just waiting for me to actually lose my license. And okay, wow. We would have went, but there's so much shit on the road. Oops. Let's get off the beaten track here. Okay, I'll come back to the other thought in a minute. So here we go, carb clean. Okay, I want the revs right now for a reason, so I'm a little lower gear than I should be. I gotta remember, my brakes are a little squishy still. Front brakes getting better, calipers eased up a bit. Oh, I should have took that turn. Okay, so we're on carb clean. Okay. Now this thing ain't a bad little highway cruiser. I put a lot of miles on it on the highway. And where do we want to go? Okay. So yeah, safety officer there. He's just kind of laughing and giggling at me. But if I ever run across him, he would ticket me so goddamn fast, it's scary. He doesn't care. He really doesn't. Okay, fifth gear, just no jam. Okay, we got a lot of wind today. Well, I'll probably have to throw the EQ on this part. We're just bombing along at 130, nice little cruising speed. That's what this likes, 130, 135. Not like the R1, that's for sure. Okay, so yeah, so I got really lucky. Cop followed me home. Basically gave me a slap on the wrist. That was super nice of him. Yeah, and of course, I got that warning damn right, so I went out and got registration the next day. Plus, I wanted to ride my motorbike to school. It was a real nice change showing up on my 450 as opposed to my little 100cc. Man, did I get ribbed for driving that to school. You gotta remember, when I bought that, it was old at the time. Oh, look at that red. Wow, that is so nice. Okay, actually sounded not too bad. Ouch. Ugly bumps. You really got to watch this road. Why did I take this road? They really like putting police on this road. Okay, so, oh wow, this seat, it's totally different. It's comfortable. Actually, might as well. Okay, we're gonna hang out by the airport today. Okay, and I once again checked my tires. We're actually holding air pretty good. Okay, where the hell am I going? We're changing things here. Okay. Watch the dirt. Oh yeah. Oh. Okay, motocross it. Wow. Are those ever big speed bumps? And just off to our right is the Calgary Airport. It's actually getting big. Okay, a lot of dirt. We got to be careful. So yeah, back to the topic. Well, we're actually going slow and we can talk quite good here. So, original topic of oh, what the hell? Oh, no way. Okay. Oh, damn. Okay, they now force you to go through the airport. Okay, unintentionally, we're going to go check out the Calgary Airport. So yeah, no, now you get a provisional license through traffic. Okay, watch. I actually got to pay attention here. Okay, wow. Did I ever take the wrong turn? Oh yeah, motorbikes and underground parkades, just beautiful. That reverb just sounds so goddamn cool. And I'm not putting it in third in here. Remember, I got no second gear on this thing right now. So yeah, when you get a license, you get a provisional license, and you have that until the age of 25. I can't believe that. Oh! Okay, we just bottomed out the exhaust. That's crazy. Provisional license, you know, like, come on, you turn a man. What the hell? Through traffic. Okay, read signs. Oh god, that's nice. So, okay, this is just a scatterbrain video. Chargers. Oops. So you get a provisional license. And now on this provisional license, you're only allowed 8 demerits. What that basically works to is 3 strikes, you're out. On a regular license, you're... Okay, this is the road I wanted. I guess I just turned too early. Oh. Oh, they closed it. Oh wow, we just scraped foot. Okay, clearance on this is not like the R1. I gotta remember that. So 3 strikes, you're out on a provisional license. Regular license, you get 15 demerits. So that's basically 5 strikes. That's an average ticket. Now, how tickets work, the worse they are, the more they are. 15 kilometer increments. So if you get caught going 15 kilometers over an hour, that is 2 demerits. 3 kilometer or 30 kilometers over an hour, 3 demerits. Now you get another 15, 45 in between 30 and 45, that's 4 demerits. Now, it's vague here, and a lot to do with a cop. You get caught going faster than that. They can do some really ugly things, but for the most part, it's doubling the speed limit where you're going to court. And that's when you're in front of a judge. So, got to be really careful when you double the speed limit. Okay, I really don't like not having second gear. Really don't. Okay, well that was really just a useless run out to the airport. Cool thing is though, first chance I've had to really run the GoPro in low light conditions. And so, our GoPro 2s I should say. So yeah, you gotta be really careful. Oh man, I'm hunching. Gotta be really careful when you're on your provisional license. Now, here's the bad thing, good thing, I guess depending who you are. If you get caught with any type of alcohol in your system on a provisional, license gone. Do not pass go. Oh. But yeah, what I was about to say, the age and that whole thing about provisional, 25, like 9 years? I really hope he's wrong with that one. New drivers, 9 years on a provisional license? How scary is that? Man, you run across the wrong cop, there goes your license, just like that. So yeah, that's how the licensing model works in demerits and speeding and stuff like that. And for the most part, 14 years old you get learners, 16 you get your license. I guess now, 25 you get your real license. Whoa. Okay, we got fresh oil. Oh God, man, I need straight bars on this and I need to relocate the foot pegs. I just may have to do that. And I missed waving at a bike. Damn. Okay. So yeah, right now, I actually, let's go on some other ticketing laws. If you get caught driving without a license, $2,500. If you get driving without insurance, $2,500. If you get caught without registrations, $175. If you get caught without proof of, say you got a license but you forgot it at home, sitting in your other jacket, okay, move over. That is now $175 fine. Okay, go, go, go. Okay, we're on a carb clean. I really don't want to be in this lane. So yeah, that's $175. So right now, I have to admit, I never got my registration for this bike. It is insured. So, let's just cover that right now. and I have no radar detector. Okay, we're on a performance test. Yes, here's something for you to say. If you're ever just giving her shit and you get pulled over, even say another one's racing, try to get away with, hey, I was just doing a performance test. Just did some work on it. I just needed to know what I was going to do. Never use the word racing or speeding. You can try getting away with that. Okay, downtown Calgary in the background. Oh, I love that color red in the sky. But actually, this little thing ain't running too bad. So, have I missed out on anything? Nah, not a cop behind us. Fat lights are too fancy. So yeah, insurance. Now just to give you an example, to insure this thing for a year, just a little over $100. To insure my R1 for a year, throw another $0 on that. So now you're under 25, you're on a provisional license. Oh man, they're gonna bend you over. Just get ready for it. That's why a lot of young kids, they always stick to the 6s. Okay, 16th Ave. So yeah, you really got to watch this in corners. No clearance, no clearance. Reminder to self. Okay, no flashy. Okay, so now also, go on to speeding tickets. If you get caught, if, say, there's another vehicle in the proximity of where you are, you can beat it because there's a possibility of that other vehicle corrupting. Now, if they have to do a couple reads on you, you can use that as it, okay, why didn't it work the first time? Malfunctioning equipment. Another one is, can you, question asking the officer, have you actually been trained on this piece of equipment? A lot of times they're not trained on the type of equipment that they're actually using. Properly trained. Being shown by your buddy, hey, that just won't do it. So that's another way to possibly beat it. Okay, watch your clearance. Keep her up. Okay, free and clear. Performance test. Okay, ow, bumps. Okay, it does not accelerate like the R1 at all. I think I actually may be running out of gas. But the carbs are doing pretty good. Okay. And man, yeah, might as well. Getting too dark. Okay, this is my bike running out of gas. I know that sound anywhere. See what I mean? Okay, this is the old bike. It's actually back. All 4 carbs slowly fueling up again. Nice little backfire.